You and I have been through everything together. I am with you. There will always be a hiccup in Astrid. Always.
No need to worry, rain falling down. It's our happy story, and there's no one around. We will go for it, and I know you'll be mine forever. Windows wide open.
Are you really going to sacrifice your future?